It's just gone 7 o'clock on Sunday the 21st. This is day 1 of my little self-set challenge of at least doing 1 hill or mountain walk a month. Steve's. There's snow and ice on the roads, not too bad, minor, but yeah, should be a fun day. Just got to Steve's. Let's go find out where he is. Decide which car we're taking. Which house is his? I hope this is the right one. Tell me the truth. Yes, I've got the right house. Darcy dog! Woo! Thanks, Joey. He's coming with us too. Parked up outside Llangeni, but I have both in Llangeni and what was the other place, Steve? Llanbedr. So all these Welsh names that I'm learning. Gonna sack off the soft shell trousers on Steve's recommendation, obviously, because we're gonna get the over trousers on over the top of our base layers. Don't want to get too hot because it's actually not as cold out there. The snow's all turned to rain, so yeah, just gonna get changed and head off. Oh yeah.
It's a path.
Yeah, it's a.
Where are you trying to get to?
I don't know.
Oh, nightmare.
So I'm like, do you know what, I'm going on my own.
If you take that path up there.
Yeah, I've got the scones, I'll be alright.
Winning.
Have fun, thanks for your help.
No worries. See the snow sticking around up here a little bit more. It's a little bit chilly. Slush.
Rescue on there.
Okay, so we're at the top of the Sugarloaf now, just at the trig point, and it is completely covered in ice. We made it. It's a bit chilly. It wasn't too hot on the way up, to be honest, but it's a bit slippy up here. Yeah, we're going to duck down and try and find a place to get some lunch. That's lunch done. Back up into the wind, get to the pub and get us a beer. There she be, back safe and sound. It's a good thing you've been on a few runs, eh, Steve?
Have you been up on the top of the mountain?
Yeah.
Have you been cool? Are you completely mad?
That wasn't too bad.
It was okay, yeah. It's a bit chilly, but